Today in this video I am going to explain how to reset Vivo X70 Pro 5G. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn off the smartphone. Once the device is powered off, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys for a short while. Release all held buttons when fast boot mode appears on the screen. Navigate through the options using the volume up button to select recovery mode. Then confirm by pressing the power button. In recovery mode, select the option for clear data and then choose clear all data. Confirm the selection by tapping on the screen. If promoted, enter your password to proceed with the data clearing process. Return to the recovery menu by pressing the return button. Finally, select restart and confirm to initiate the reset process. During the operation, all your files will be removed, so ensure you have backed up any important data beforehand. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings, similar to how it was when you first purchased it. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.